This is Boom and Crash Club 01. So in today's video, we are going to talk about the Boom 1000 index weekly market analysis. So looking at the weekly analysis as I gave you last week, you see Boom 1000 has closed the week bearish. This was last week candle, this tiny huge doji candle. It was last week candle. So I promised to give you an update on what is currently happening in this week candle, and I promise to give you all the details live here and direct. So let's dive in now. So let's go to the daily time frame. You see, looking at the daily chart, Boom 1000 has been producing what we call a very strong uptrend. See, market start to continue to create highs, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, pushing the market upward. That is what is currently happening on Boom 1000. So now let's check a look and see what the monthly chart is saying. You see, the monthly chart last month ends strongly bullish. So we're about to make another impulsive move which will make us continue this uptrend in this bullish direction in order to target these all-time highs. That is our confirmed observation, and that is our confirmed market analysis on this market. Market will likely go up so that it can target these all-time highs. That is what you need to understand, and that is exactly what Boom and Crash is leading us to and is showing us currently. So now let me give you some few guidelines. For the daily chart candle, you can see market has moved up to this level, but quietly it closes below. So what I'm suspecting, if this candle continue to break below this level, that is was able to break below this low, there's a high tendency. If market was able to break below this low, there's a very high tendency that this market will continue this downtrend moveward. That is what I want you to understand. So basically, the current market condition is typically bullish because market have been creating highs. But my major concern is when this daily candle make up to this high, but finally give us those gains, which is almost 300 to 400 pips intact. So if this candle continue, price need to target either this level for the first time or this second level for the second time before it continue the uptrend. So for somebody that is looking for a buy opportunity, let's go to the 4 hours chart. You can look for a good buyable opportunity around this area, or another buyable opportunity, though this zone is mitigated. To me, this is the only other block that is not mitigated on Boom 1000 index. And if price was able to tap into this area, likely I will be targeting this high. That is exactly what I want to understand, and that is exactly what I can give you to understand with respect to Boom 1000 index weekly market analysis. If you even look at the other market structure like this, you see market has been producing higher highs, higher low, higher low, higher high. What happened? Price did not continue that uptrend, rather price pull back here. After the pullback, what happened? Price continued to move up higher and even create another uptrend, and this is another high. You can see this is another high that the market has created, and if market created another high, you don't have any excuse, you don't have anything that will not make you follow this market the way it is and respect to the current market condition the way it is. That is what I want you to understand. And if we are looking for any buy opportunity, I repeat, we are looking for any buy opportunity, this is the only time for this is the only other block zone. This other block is mitigated with this pullback. We are not going to use it, but the last extreme order block, which is this order block, is the strongest order blocks I have right now that I'm waiting for in order to catch spike consistently trading the Boom and Crash market. And if price fall enter into this market zone, I will be happy to buy this market. I will be happy to enter this market so that I should be able to see what is the next possible move and what is the next possible profit I'm going to get from this market. For scalpers, you should focus on 1 hour time frame. You see, for those that are scalping, can focus on 1 hour time frame. Whenever you have a possible pullback like this, then you should take your trade. And for those that even want to be using the special boom and crash strategy we released, which is this one you are seeing, this is boom and crash free strategy. I just released 2 days ago. You can go and watch the video. It's my latest video, and this is the strategy. And even if, let's assume I'm even using the strategy to take a trade now. Since this candle, you see, since this candle is already closing around this area, it's not a good deal. What I want is that I want market to continue the trading upward, so that if I see another candle start to trade above this red moving average somewhere around here, I can take my trade. So I'm just waiting to see. In fact, I will even go back to the 30-minute time frame. You see, so I'm waiting for a candle to open and close above this red line as it did here. So I'll wait for the first candle, second candle, and the third candle, this red one. I'm going to take my trade. This is boom and crash club 01. And also, please don't forget, if you are finding any value on this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like this video, share this video with our loved ones, so that we should be able to catch the boom 1000 index market analysis together. So I want you to understand, if you are catching boom and crash, you need to understand market structure very well. Boom and crash is technically designed in such a way that you need to understand market structure before you can make good profit. You need to understand market structure. If you understand market structure, you don't have any problem. If you understand trend, you also don't have any problem, because the way you are going to be trading boom 1000 index and the way you are going to be using it is simply and easily going to be giving you good profit when you understand market structure or when you understand the full trend. If you understand full trend, you understand market structure, you don't have any problem. If you don't have knowledge on that, kindly check videos on my channel. I have over 500, more than 500 videos showing you how to understand market, live chart, and other things that you need to understand, so that you should be able to start making profit, catching spike with boom 1000 index. Boom 1000 index is my lovely fear. Boom 1000 index is the fear that I love most. I don't blame people that are saying I don't want to give signals apart from boom 1000. I have reasons for that, and I told you I have a lot of things that I consider with respect to that, and that was the reason I'm doing it that way. In trading, it's not about how much you trade, it's about how well you trade. So when you have a setup that is good for you, you can go for it. Let me even show you signal group. 2 days we have been giving signals that are going in our direction. See, I give them signals regularly, and they always get a very, very reasonable profit target from that signal. See, this is another signal I give, a nice set of one trade, one signal, and one goal. So let me tell you one good thing that you need to understand as a beginner trader. You don't need too many trades to win. You only need one good quality trading setup that will make your day successful, that will make your month successful, that will make your week successful trading the boom and crash market. This is Boom and Crash Forex Club 01. And nice to have you now. See you in my next video. Bye.